hasn't started this truck in, what, near on a month and a half?
Almost 2 months.
Yeah. Let me get in there. What you doing?
Well, pump that. We're going to try and go over that dirt pile with it.
She's a little cold-blooded. Takes her a minute.
Starter needs replaced.
There she goes. Are you putting it in 4 low to do that? Okay. I heard it click. And there she goes. Well, no. She was like, give me more, give me more.
Animal. That was fun. All right. Oh, I bet my license plate a little bit.
Yeah, it was. It got a little hung up on the,
Oopsies.
yeah. You wanted more though.
Oh, yeah. That truck be fun in the woods.
Those Avio rims were steel, right?
No.
No, they were aluminum.
Oh, look at that. Made a nice little road over it.
It's gonna get flattened with that thing there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these ruts. I about damn near hyperextended my knee stepping in one.
Of course. Willie, shut up.
Well!
We had to play a little bit before we level off the dirt. That was fun. All right. Time to get to work.
How's it coming along? Oh, you got it off there. Sweet. Louie will help you load it. You want me to tell him? Or
No, I'll wait till he's done.
he's cleaning up back here. Getting it leveled out, cleaned up, filled in for their tractor races and go-kart races that are coming up. Can't really have a mud pit when you're going to be driving a 40-mile-an-hour tractor. Frankenstein's Garage on YouTube. The old Chevy climbed over this dirt pile. And so far right now, that's the scoop. It's looking good back here. Nice and flat. He's grading this all down. He's making it flat because then he'll pack it down with the mini excavator so that we can have a little area for the tractors and the go-karts instead of these giant pits of mud where he's been driving the cars and trucks through. That's what I've gathered from his plan. I think that's right. He just likes running the equipment, which granted I do too, I'm just not very good at it. How's it going?
Good. Getting there all fixed up.
I see there's some holes over there.
Yeah, the Ranger
Yeah.
really tore it off.
Oh, this is still really soft. Like,
It won't be.
it's really, really soft to walk in. Yeah, there's like, that is, I don't even know. Is that a bottomless pit over there?
Yeah, I don't know. Thing never drains.
Dinner's almost done.
Okay. We got a lot of work done.
You do your thing.
All right.
Let me like, comment, subscribe.
Oh, we're not done. We're gonna try and fit in a time lapse.
No, I haven't been recording so much because I'm cooking Louie a really awesome dinner. It's Friday night and he wanted fish, so that's what he gets.
Frankenstein's garage.
You're running the pump in the bottomless pit?
Yeah.
Here's a drink.
Nice.
What kind of salad dressing do you like for tossed salad?
Italian is really.
Okay. We got that. Cold snacks and all.
That is.
So I see you have Ryan pumping water out of the bottomless pit.
Yes. Yes, we are doing that so that when we grade the good dirt off into it, doesn't turn to muck.
Yeah. And you can pack this all down with the tracks of the.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the boom, or what do you call that? The bucket, right? You'll pound it down in the certain soft spots.
Where it's needed, but it'll dry up. You know. But just by having it cleared up.
Well, dinner's basically done at this point. So
just about ready to see how it's high right there.
I know you want to level it.
Level it.
I know what you're doing. I saw what you were doing over here too. And it looks, babe, it looks, oh my God. Okay. I give Louie hell all the time because it's always, and it still is. Yes, there is still a mess back here. But I give him hell because it's always such a mess. And he's getting shit done.
Oh yeah.
I think he's sick of hearing me nag and bitch.
Well, we need more romping room anyway.
For the go-karts and the tractors have to have flat ground, right?
Yeah. Well, that's pretty flat.
So it's a self-fulfilling thing that he's doing.
That dirt pile that was there is now spread out to here.
I know. It looks really good. Okay. don't know what they're up to. Look at how clean this looks. Louis done such a good job. Ryan's grading it. I think Ryan's having fun while he's grading it. Wow, dude! You want a beer?
Yeah. So this is actually making it look really nice.
Wow, it does. It looks so different back here. Remember when we bought this house like 2.5 years ago, and there was just, this was all
like that.
heavy ass brush. Like heavy ass brush.
Yeah.
Ryan's he's just doing what he's got to do, right?
He's having fun.
Yeah. On the old Suzuki 230 quad.
The old Suzuki.
He's part of the quad squad now.
Yeah. Well, that's the only quad in the quad squad.
I know.
What the hell was that?
I don't. What?
It fucking vibrated. I don't know what it went by.
Oh, the water, and the mud. Louis taking care of it as best as he can. Okay, babe. So that's gonna be a pond. Like Louis said, I don't want to walk too far. We're gonna have a pond over here. Eventually,
there.
it's not going to be a mosquito breeding ground. It's going to be a fish pond over here, and it's just
cleaned it out. It was already
water.
Once all
we're
this
next
muck
to the river.
settles and dries up, this will be hardened.
Yeah, we can't drive on it until then, though. No. So how many laps do you think he's done? Probably 1,000.
A lot. He's doing the mini circuit track right now.
Well, we can't go off here right now.
Not right now.
I'm so glad Louis got all this garbage cleaned up back here, most of it, and because that's like, it drives me insane having his clutter. And now look at how, if you've watched our previous videos, you'll know this looks so much better than what it did, because it was just vehicles and broken campers and all sorts of junk just laying around. And he's got it all cleaned up. Oh, thank God for that mini excavator. And Ryan's just having fun with the four-wheeler grading. Yep. So
I'm very pleased with how it's turned out. Very pleased. And like, comment, subscribe. Frankenstein's Garage.
Frankenstein's Garage. What you think, Ryan? You having fun?